Is it is it just me, or is that a higher low on Bitcoin? And not just on the daily. When we actually look at it on the 4 hourly, it looks more juicy. To me anyway. It looks like it's rebounded off that level. This could be the point in time when we reverse. Don't get me wrong, when we had that pump, we were thinking great things, and then we had the dump and it was nasty. However, if we look at the liquidation heat map of Bitcoin, on the Binance, the liquidity is lying above us. So it looks like it's taken out the majority of the liquidity. Don't get me wrong, it could go lower. However, hopefully not, right? At this point, we're just praying it doesn't come back down to the 78k region. It might hit it again, but hopefully we go higher after that because the support's lower down. We're going to get to in just a minute and nasty. And then people will genuinely believe it's over. And I think, to be honest, it's probably more likely that we're going to hit them supports because people still feel there is a chance. Although everyone's insanely bearish, we're still in extreme fear and fear. 24 fear. It is the time to buy, to be honest. If you were to buy, and if this isn't the end of the bull market, if this isn't the complete end, it's an excellent buying opportunity. The real pain is holding altcoins all the way down. Most of them will never recover again. The next altcoin cycle will have new altcoins prepared for another pump and dump scheme. Rinse and repeat. That's fact. Market right now, completely missing. Look at Omikami. We are all Ryoshi. You are Ryoshi. I am Ryoshi. And he actually uploaded this to the Omikami family. I will always be here with Shib. I knew from the start something fell off. I hinted that one day I'd be gone. But with Omikami it's different. This is forever. You are family. Together we are unstoppable. Love always, Ryoshi. Come on, bruh. Send this meme coin. Look, this is where the support is, 77 to 78k, which would cause manipulation, could be triggered by manipulation and also cause extreme fear because people will have their stop losses below this wick here. So I think we're going lower. You are not prepared. Imagine. Oh, don't make me bullish again. Just in, total crypto market cap has experienced its second worst decrease ever just one day after its best increase ever, plummeting 350 billion in 24 hours. Who is cooking these markets? Bitcoin needs to bounce here to stay bullish. It has to, man. It has to bounce. Where's it going to come down to? 72k? We've almost come down to there anyway. I never thought we would have come down from then. People didn't when we were up here. But it's always a possibility. Breaking, the SEC has dropped his lawsuit against Kraken, giga bullish. Donald Trump Jr. says buy the dip, but the price keeps dipping. I'm out of money, man.
And 25% on Mexico, and that'll start.
You're imposing
So they're going to
tariffs,
have to have
bro.
a
That
tariff.
ain't
So
good at
what they have to
all.
do is build their car plants, frankly, and other things in the United States, in which case they have no tariffs. In other words, so we're going April 2nd. But
Confirms the US will impose 25% tariffs on Canada and Mexico starting tomorrow. Holy, Bitcoin is losing support, man. It's not looking good, brev. The CME BTC futures gap at least has been filled. At least the CME gap has been filled. If we can take any positive out of this whole situation. Bitwise files for a Dogecoin ETF. I hate it here. Look at that candle and it comes straight back down. That is garbage, man. Imagine being bullish on Bitcoin ETF that allows the banks, the very system we're trying to escape from, control the inflows of liquidity that were meant to be injecting directly on chain. Most of the new money coming from retail investors is now trapped behind the bank's walls when they buy these Bitcoin ETFs. As Bitcoin increases in value, these individuals will cash out into fiat and the profits will ultimately be stuck in the banking system rather than the remaining in Web3 wallets on chain. This reduces the liquidity that could have supported the crypto ecosystem or been redirected into altcoins as their risk profile grows. You wonder why the cycle feels a bit off, and you wonder why there hasn't been a real alt season yet. Wrecked. Alt season will come, but not to the degree we have experienced in the past bull runs. Damn, man. Sounds disgusting. But this guy's still buying. He bought the Bitcoin dip. Trump's 25% tariffs on Canada and Mexico and 20% on China are now in effect. Yesterday, a whale who raked in 6.8 million, long in 200 million using 50x leverage yesterday, is now short in Bitcoin. Worst crypto cycle ever. No crying in the casino. I genuinely can't believe he said that. This is the saddest thing ever. Look at that, a lower low on Ethereum. That's so bad. Buy the dips. You're welcome, my friend. I made someone's life a little bit better. Now my advice hold. Never fade Eric Trump. The initial token's name for the crypto strategic reserve. XRP literally no one uses except insiders to dump on retail after lockup period. ADA no one uses and founder might be on the Epstein list. Sol used to commit pump and dump meme coin fraud. It's literally fraud. Buy the dips. Russia is evaluating its strategic Bitcoin reserve. Russia feels the FOMO. Meme coin recovery starts now. ETF inflow is about to how do you lot know, man? FYI, if you buy now, you are retail. The real players bought last week when Bitcoin fear dipped to 10. And now we're at 15, so I think it's a better time to buy. Holy moly. What a dog market we're in. I think the price is at a very good level though today. CoinGecko needs its own fear and greed index. Look at all this, man. Everything is pulling back. Everything is red. Better to buy today than yesterday, right? If you're looking at the positives, better to buy today than yesterday. I'd keep the stop losses tight though. Hella tight.